laugh, laugh.
They laugh at the funny movie. Sleep, sleep. She sleeps for 8 hours each night. Fly, fly. The bird flies in the sky. Build, build. They build sandcastles on the beach.
Shop, shop. We shop for groceries every weekend. Help, help. She helps her brother with his homework. Ask, ask. He asks for directions when he's lost. Open, open. He opens the door for her. Close, close.
She closes the book when she's done. Watch,
Watch. They watch TV in the evening. Speak, speak. He speaks loudly on the phone. Buy, buy. I buy groceries every week. Clean, clean. He cleans the house on Saturdays. Travel, travel. We travel to new places during the summer. Visit, visit. They visit their grandparents on Sundays. Bake, bake. She bakes a cake for the party. Call.